Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert Clickable Checkbox in Word 2025. Open Word. Right-click on a free space on the ribbon and in the menu select Customize the ribbon. Now in the window that appears, check the developer box, click OK. After this, open the developer menu. Here, choose the option Checkbox Content Control. It will be added automatically. You can click on it to check or uncheck it. You can select the checkbox and from the menu make the desired adjustments. Then with the box selected in the developer menu, select Properties. There, click on the Change button in the section Checked Symbol. You can choose the type of font to use and then choose one of the designs to replace the default word value. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.